Welcome to this video about running your own EV charging network, and this software makes this a lot easier, and it is mainly targeted at electricians who have an empty parking space. And how it works is the software is really an end-to-end system where you can make your own EV charging network, and it handles everything from adding the chargers to the payment itself. And it also helps you to find the right location and project. You will set up a website with this tool, and as already mentioned, they even help you with receiving payments and even with financing. So it's an overarching system that helps you to manage your charger fleet. And it's a great way for electricians to start another business. You can easily see how much the location will bring in the coming months, and you can also make sure that you're compliant with all the local rules and regulations. So I think it's a really exciting software that can help people to set up their own EV charging network. And it's part of a push to get more decentralized networks where local operators own the network instead of one big or a few big companies that do this. So I think it's really lowering the barrier to entry to get your own system going, and it's a really cool system. So thank you for watching this video about Starlight. Have a great day ahead and see you in the next video.